All right, hey, so I've been messing around with the OpenClaw for quite a while, and I have to say, it's extremely frustrating. I mean, it just, oh, I can't even express how difficult it is. I mean, there's parts I like, and sometimes it seems like it's going well, but other times it just seems to be a complete and utter mess, right? I do things repeatedly, I keep having to update things. I mean, like it says something's working, then it's actually not. I mean, it's just a pain. Okay, I do have a lot of documents in Qdrant, so I have a ton of collections, which it's just kind of a mess of stuff, right? So I have the gems, I have the TRs, the true recall, knowledge base memories. I mean, I did Mem Zero for a little while, um, nanobot integration, um, open Jarvis knowledge. I mean, I got a little carried away. So one of the things that I realized is that I started looking into. I was like, there's got to be a better way, right? Like, there's just it's just so complicated. And so one of the things that I realized is that Claude Claude Code has a free installation, right? And so I was like, oh, that's really cool. Let me check that out. So I installed it. I got it SSH'd on my desktop of my computer that I work on. So I just want to do a quick little demo of just basically installing it. This is not intended to be a very long video. It's just um kind of thinking. I mean, I like OpenClaw. I likely will go back to it at some point in the future, maybe. But basically, what I was doing was I was trying to use OpenClaw like Claude Code, right? So I was poking around and I was looking at this and I kept seeing, the thing to launch Claude Code. And I'm like, wait a minute, I could do local models with Ollama using Claude Code. So, oh, shoot, I didn't mean to do that. Um, so what I'm going to do is I already did this once. I'm just going to do it again just for the video. So I'm going to take a journey and I'm going to go through Claude Code and I'm going to go and set up, Qdrant. I'm going to apply all the things that I was trying to get working with OpenClaw. I'm actually going to take that route with Claude Code because it's more designed for what I was trying to do. Where, even on Ollama, it says it's for automation, but I don't really care about automation per se. I mostly want it to build some stuff for me so I can be like, dang, that's freaking awesome, right? So I was like, okay. And so, I mean, I always tend to overdo things. So if you look right somewhere, uh, so I set up Claude Code. I I set up OpenCode, Codex, Droid, and then I created a demo. All these are is Debian containers, LXC containers with with Proxmox, right? So I didn't actually install these. I just set up the container and got them kind of prepared, and I think they all have Ollama on them. And then, so this is like my working that I'm going to be working with. But then I kind of set up a demo one just so I could do videos like this showing how I like as I go through things. Because one of the things is like I work hard to figure crap out with this, with anything that I do, home projects, whatnot. And then I have to go back and redo it, and I never want to wreck what I'm doing. And so I created this demo one so I can make some future videos after this. But so this one, like I said, I'm just going to get into it now. So basically, I'm just going to install Claude Code. So right now it has, ugh, has Ollama, but nothing, nothing pulled. So I'm gonna do, well, I'm gonna pause the video so I can log into Ollama. Well, actually, I'll just do it and I'll just delete it after. So oh, that's weird. That's funny. Since I cloned the container, it actually huh. Okay. Well, I cloned the container, so it remembers that I'm logged in. So I guess I could do let me go here first. I'm just gonna pull a model just to have it test it, like to play around with it. So we'll do this one. I gotta close some of these tabs. Good grief. And so I'm gonna get heavy into to Claude Code and see how I can get all that set up and working. And to be honest with you, I'm seriously considering getting a subscription with Anthropic Claude Code, because I don't know, I kind of just want to try it out. You know, it goes against my home and local, so I'm always going to do that kind of stuff also. But I'm considering setting it up, or I'm sorry, purchasing it. So basically I'm going to get the link from here from the Ollama website, put it in here, and then run it. So like I said, it's just Debian. I already had Ollama installed, installation complete. Okay. So now it says installation is complete. That took like, that was really fast. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to this one. So Claude Code, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back here, paste that in. That's weird. Oh, I forgot to do this right here. And then I believe I could do this. And there it is. So dark mode, continue. So I actually didn't set it up as a user, but so if you're going to do this and you want to set it up as a user, you just have to log in as a user. So basically that's it. And it didn't make a folder or anything. That's weird. Oh, okay, it did. Claude. So okay. So I was reading that you have to make your Claude.md to kind of give it some basic instructions, and I'll do more on that. This was just a little quick, you know, install. So if I want to run it again, I go back and I do this. Yes, I trust it. And then there it is. So if I had a local model installed, then I could just say, you know, that local model. Let me see. So if I had this and I just wanted to pick like a Quinn or something like that, I could just type it right here and then it would launch it. So, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of give an update, like, because the struggle's real, right? So I'm going to start using Claude Code, and the first thing I want to do though is I want to set up like Qdrant and be able to store memories, and then I'm going to get it to do my Vera AI. The first project I want to do is get it to kind of look at that and see if I can. I mean, I think it works, but I just want it to be better, right? I'm even thinking of making like a UI for it and stuff like that, but I just don't think I can do it in OpenClaw because the crap breaks constantly, right? Like everything it touches, it gets it right one time and then it breaks it 6 times. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.